In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Windows 10 using the command prompt. We all know how frustrating it can be when your computer starts acting up, but sometimes a simple repair can fix those pesky issues. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this in just a few minutes. First things first, we'll need to access the command prompt on your Windows 10 computer. To start, click on the Start menu button, typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type CMD to locate the command prompt application. It should appear in the list of search results. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the command prompt entry. Now here's a crucial step. It's important not just to open it directly, but to launch it with administrative privileges. To do that, right-click on the command prompt and select the option that says Run as Administrator. When prompted with a user account control UAC message, confirm by clicking Yes. This allows you to run all the necessary commands without any permission issues. With the command prompt open and running with administrator privileges, you will see a black window with white text. The next step is to enter a specific command that will help in scanning and repairing any corrupted system files that might be causing issues. In this window, type the command sfc scanno and then press enter. What does this command do? It stands for System File Checker, which is a nifty tool built into Windows 10 designed to locate and replace corrupted system files with their cached versions stored in a compressed folder on your PC. This can fix file corruption that could be at the root of various system malfunctions you might be experiencing. Now, a quick note on time. This scanning process will take a moment. It's normal for it to run for several minutes, so be patient. During this time, your computer is working diligently to check all the system files. You can even watch the progress percentage increase as it completes the scan. Once it finishes, it will give you feedback on what it found and fix any issues that were detected. This straightforward process often resolves many common problems with Windows 10, so I recommend giving your computer a reboot afterwards to ensure any changes are correctly implemented. If any issues persist, you might need to look into more specific troubleshooting based on the error messages Windows provides, but more often than not, this command will do the trick for fixing corrupt system files. And there you have it, you've successfully run a repair on your Windows 10 system using the command prompt. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your computer back on track.